Ready? Hello everybody, it's me again. It's been a while, didn't record YouTube recording. Here is another sale of this Frigidare stainless steel refrigerator. Okay, plugged in. The sale is gonna be to Mr. What's your name, sir?
Loveland.
Loveland, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Loveland, and here's my lovely life.
No, I'm his daughter.
No, oh, my bad. Filter that.
We're good.
Yeah. Let me unplug it from you. And okay, and we need the big dolly. Here we're loading up this. Give me 1 minute, guys. Yes, let's do this. Okay. Let's do this.
It's one battery.
Oh, yeah, I do have a bigger one. Let me turn it to the side. Okay. Let me use. You want to use yours, right?
Not bad.
Okay. You have a strap. Maybe we can put it, and I'll help you with it. Do the strap. Okay. Yeah, maybe a little, cleaning will do the job.
It's not dented. Got a few little dents.
Yeah. This one is maybe, but that one, no, I don't see it. It's straight. Maybe little cleaning. Maybe the other way so we don't. Yes. Okay. Good.
Hold on. No, I want to put something behind that.
Oh, but it's one battery.
Yeah.
One battery.
It's okay. One battery. Low.
Look, one bar.
Oh, yes, got you. Cool. Oh. Yes. Okay.
Should be good.
Yes. On 3. Okay, I need you.
Back?
Yes. The little chain inside. Okay. That was this, right? Okay. Daddy, get this. It's okay. Throw it on the ground. Yeah. Go. Sorry, I need you to go at the back of it. Just push me and yes, better. Yeah. Yes. Go. 1, 2. Slowly, but surely. Go. Wow. Go. Keep going. Be careful. Okay. Go. All right. How you want it? On the way to the right?
That all the way to the back.
Yes, sir.
But just leave it on the dolly, just like it is.
Yes.
He wants his thermometer
Yeah,
out of the inside of the fridge.
Okay.
The little sensors. Good?
Yep.
It's all yours.
Did you? Want anything?
Yeah, in fact, if you can,
Okay.
yeah, please. Because,
Like you
for
might as
other
well.
sales,
Yeah.
I need them, both them. The little sensors, I forgot them inside. guys, we will be done in like what, minute or so. Yeah, one more thing. When you get home, if you have a chance, just give me the 5 stars
Okay.
review. It helps me a lot with other stars. Thank you so very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. We can do that.
Yeah, thank you, man.
And thank you.
Thank you. No problem. Anytime. And here is the easy part of it. Thank you so much. Have a wonder. I'm gonna give you also 5 stars
Thank
for
you.
you helping me. Thank you. Hey guys, again, thank you very much. Here is the cash, and watch me for another YouTube video. Thank you.